of you may remember the enterprise drone which have been presented at Electronica last year. And now I would like to tell you a little bit more about the internals of the flight controllers which are used in those types of drones. And what you see here is our solution based on the Infineon AURIX technology, where you can benefit of all the safety features which are given by this topology, including lockstep capability. So in those years where the regulations are coming up for safer e-mobility in air, you can realize your own product very easily by using the AURIX controllers. If you would like to realize smaller versions of such copters, we have a reference design for a very small octocopter, also based on a Infineon AURIX microcontroller, which gives you a very easy setup because you don't need any additional mechanical components. And if this still is too big for your applications, you can switch to our smallest version, as well realized on AURIX technology. This is a quadcopter, a mini whoop, which is equipped with a camera, which gives you the capability to fly with first-person view and investigate whatever you would like to investigate. We have realized a new microcontroller based board now on the XMC 4700, which has the interface to an additional application processor, for example a Raspberry Pi. So you easily can attach this board on top of a Raspberry Pi, connect the camera to the Raspberry Pi and do all those computing intensive algorithms on the Raspberry Pi, communicate with the flight controller and follow football, for example. Not only have we ported all those open source flight controller variants like Betaflight, CleanFlight or iNav to all of our boards, but furthermore this board is supported by the Arduino IDE. So if you would like to have an easy entry to the world of quadcopters, you can use the Arduino IDE to create your flying system.